Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best pickup truck tailgate assist shock for your money. The Orion MotorTech Tailgate Assist. Compatible with 2007 to 2019 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models. Whether you're driving a 1500, 2500, or 3500 HD, this might be the one upgrade that makes your truck bed safer and easier to use. Let's get right into it. If you've ever had a tailgate slam down too fast, you know how dangerous and inconvenient that can be. But this Orion MotorTech Tailgate Assist puts an end to that issue. The moment you install it, you'll notice how smoothly and gently your tailgate lowers itself, completely eliminating the jarring drop you've probably grown used to. Even if your hands are full, you can trust the shock to guide the gate down in a controlled manner. But this assist shock doesn't just protect your hands, it protects your truck too. By preventing that free fall motion, it minimizes wear and tear on your tailgate's hinges and cables. That's real long-term value, especially on work trucks that see heavy daily use. You're preserving your rear end's longevity with just a small and affordable upgrade. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the best parts of this kit is how beginner-friendly it is. It includes everything you need: the tailgate assist shock itself, mounting plates, bolt, blind nut and installation tool, a mylar sheet, thread locker, a Torx wrench, and a fully illustrated instruction manual. There's no need to drill holes or remove the taillight. With just M4 and M5 Allen wrenches and some standard metric wrenches, 10 and 13 mm, you'll have this on your truck in a matter of minutes. The entire process is intuitive, even if you've never installed a part like this before. The material is also worth mentioning. It's constructed from durable carbon steel, which not only resists corrosion but also stands up to harsh weather and constant use. It's been tested to last and designed to stay rattle-free. That means no annoying clunks or bangs when you're driving over bumps. It's a quiet, clean, smooth operating solution. And here's another big bonus. This shock isn't just a helper when the gate is opening. It actually makes closing the tailgate easier too. You'll feel the lift assist helping you finish the job without as much force. It's a subtle thing, but over time, especially for older drivers or anyone dealing with injuries, it's a real improvement. This kit is specifically tailored for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickups from 2007 to 2019, and most 2007 models as well. So it's not some universal product you have to tweak. It fits, it works, and it's made to match your truck's tailgate hardware exactly. So to sum it all up, the Orion MotorTech Tailgate Assist is one of the best, most practical accessories you can add to your pickup. It's inexpensive, fast to install, built to last, and it genuinely makes your truck safer and easier to use. If you're ready to protect your truck in your hands, this is the upgrade to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews of the best gear out there. See you in the next video.